Hello again, it's the Guillories, and today we're having fun. We're making funfetti.
What's so funny?
Cupcakes. She stepped on my foot.
At the same time,
And we got some decorations. And we got the frosting that's fun.
maximum chaos.
Maximum chaos. Okay, so first, somebody can get out the cake bowl.
Oh, I love chaos.
Put the oven 350. So make 24, but we're just gonna make 12 big ones. Carissa. Okay, so somebody pour the mix in. We gotta get some eggs too. We need 3 eggs. Ingredients. Oh gosh, all this heavy stuff on the eggs. Oh, this must be the older eggs.
Old ones.
Let me put them in the water to test them. If they float, that means it's time to get rid of them. I hope we got new ones. Did we get new eggs? Because I ordered new eggs.
I don't remember seeing any, but there was multiple people putting away, so I don't know.
Be good or bad. Egg test. What secret bugging do? Well, nope. They're still good.
It's drifting up
A little bit, but it's still, they can even stand. Standing up is almost bad. Once they're floating, they gotta be thrown away. Okay. So let's take 3 of these babies. Have a swimming pool. These ones are gonna grow because they got wet. And then it's on the pan.
They're gonna grow chicken flowers.
I don't see the egg that one.
Chicken flowers, where are you?
They must be in here somewhere, but they may not have gotten
Where
there.
are you?
If they're in here, they're probably
Where are you?
So there's some.
Why did they have to prolong my suffering?
Because they wanted to make a longer video so they get more view time.
Monster finger, where are you?
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, where are you?
Okay.
Here I am, here I am.
350 Coke bottle. Yeah, we don't need to do that because we're making cupcakes.
Iron Man, where?
Okay, so we need 1 cup water in there, and then we need 1/2 cup oil.
Here I am. Here I am. How do you do?
Oops, I got a shell in this. These have such big yolks compared to the other eggs.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
America, where are you? Here I am. Here I
So I
am.
put the water in there?
Yeah, put the water in now.
And the oil, right?
And oil.
And they have more flavor.
Oh, Adrian.
That's
It's an oily disaster.
I caused an oil spill, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Oil spill,
Let's sing a song to make it better.
Oil spill, please flow out. No.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so who's gonna mix? Somebody mixes it and somebody needs to put cupcake things in there.
Oh, I'll mix it. You wanted to mix it, didn't you?
It's fine.
Here you go.
And then they all fall into the hole. Liquid.
Decorations. So this is I guess I'm just gonna throw away the greasy bag and get a new one.
Oh no, it's all my fault.
And look, it was one of these. Super
What have I
duper.
done?
Cause an oil spill all
You
around.
say, Kristen?
I said nothing.
But I spoiled the bag.
Rinse this.
She worked with finger. There's too much finger family in this video. The finger family metal compass. What is it?
playing around while we're making cupcakes, are we?
How can you seriously make cupcakes? Cupcakes are meant to be playing around while it's
Cupcakes are playful.
Grammar.exe has stopped working.
The playful of cupcakes is a maze.
And the dough has all kinds of sprinkles in it. Halloween sprinkles.
Half our purple, half our green, half our candy corn, half our pumpkins, half our plants.
How are you?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
No, why are we singing baby song? Baby song. Cake making.
End of world, we're all doomed. End of world, coming soon. Say goodbye, we're all doomed.
Okay.
Is that an appropriate song?
I guess show the mix to the people. Who wants to eat the springs? Okay. So, Chrissy gets to spoon it in.
Good, I hate that job.
Cause she didn't do the mixing.
Well, because Adrian did the mixing. Okay, I will get the spoon.
I'm gonna lick the beater's wax on.
Don't do that. You should unplug it.
Are you sure?
Turns on.
Oh look, I'm licking the egg.
Everywhere because I'm not good at this.
And then we'll put it in the oven. The more practice, the better, right? And then after they're cooked, we will show you. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, as you can see, they are all baked.
Please no opera.
Opera, no. So we're gonna let them cool down, and we'll be back, and we'll be frosting them and putting little thingies on top of them. I know Chris is shame. Krista did it. Krista made them odd
The
shapes.
opera singer.
Yeah, the opera singer. We'll be back. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna frosty some cupcakes. So let's begin. Ooh, look at orangeness. She licked it. Licked it.
That looks so good.
Yep.
So orange. Orange is the tastiest color.
Yep. Yeah. That'd be good if it tastes like orange, right, Krista?
No.
Krista doesn't like
I
orange.
think it would need to be orange flavored.
I like the color orange.
You used to like those orange muffins I made.
What orange muffins?
I used to make these muffins that were orange flavored.
Orange cranberry.
Yeah.
Wait, I thought I used to make those, didn't I?
Yeah, you made them too before.
Well, like orange chicken?
Yeah, and you eat orange chicken.
But I don't like orange.
But if you like the color orange, that means you like all the color.
Technically. I mean, I don't like cute colors.
I think orange is like...
Certain shades of green are nice.
I like orange. Orange just looks tasty, doesn't it? Or is that just me? I don't
It
know
was.
what...
It looks tasty.
And
I'm a messy
she's good.
cupcake.
Chris is standing here wondering, what the heck?
Yeah.
I'm so big. You think I'm gonna drool?
It's alright. That means I should lick my Kindle since it's orange. But they don't come in orange anymore. Oh no!
Yeah.
Orange is no longer an option. Well, at least mine's still orange. It's not like it's gonna change the color whenever I am.
Yours is gonna turn white because orange is no longer existing.
Yep.
Oh my god, heroin. Guess I just wouldn't get an orange one. Fortunately, it still works. It's just cracked and runs
Look
out
at
bad.
that. I already did mine.
Okay.
Put some decorations
Okay,
on.
keep bragging.
What's all dark today?
I just have 44 years experience.
Yeah, sure you were born frosting cupcakes.
I sure was.
Oh wow, look what I've
But
done
that's
to my
another
fingers.
story.
I have frosted the fingers.
These? Yeah.
I like the paper ones.
They look like little combs. These are different. These ones have 2, and these
Well,
ones have 4.
Those ones are laying down, these ones are staying down.
Yeah. And then they're sinking in.
Okay, is this enough frosting?
Yeah, that's good. And then you can choose what you want to put on the tops.
And you say, 2 more frosting.
Yeah. So, ciao, kitties. Here's mine. Aren't those delicious? Oh, I guess I'll put
I
the
also
sprinkles
have
on them.
I don't have that good of a knife for spreading frosting. Mine has a ridge.
Did we make these last year or was that?
We made funfetti, but I don't think it was orange. Was it orange stuff? I don't know.
I know we made cookies one year that I
I
picked
I
out.
thought last year we made cupcakes, so that's when we got these.
Well, I picked out the cookies one year. And then this year I provided the movie.
Here.
I do nothing to contribute to Halloween.
I used to
You guys get to eat my candy though.
a few times when I
Except
started
for the
buying
stuff
my
you hoard in your room
costume.
till it rots.
Well, it's because it's pieces I'd wear on my own, and then later I realized I could make a costume out of them, so then I had obtained more pieces later on. I don't know why I got them around my birthday every year. I guess it was just because I got money then or something.
Probably.
'Cause then I got the Link hat and ears in
Save some for
May.
you guys.
Save some for the stars.
But this year
That means we can eat this. Dad doesn't get any. I get my 4, you get to eat your 4.
This year I'm not even making a costume anymore.
If I ate
Oh, if you ate all those at once.
then I got this still watch the frosting off. Watch the frosting off the cupcake. Sing everything, everything, everything. I'm pretty sure I was singing in most of my dreams last night.
Oh no.
Is that why
it's, like it's like some of those shows, the episodes all sing. It's like, what?
I even sing to the Young Vanos cult.
Ew.
But it changed nothing.
Go ahead and put your.
They were still obsessed
okay,
with
put sprinkles
Thanos.
on first. That's fine. Go ahead and show your camera, Chris.
Oops.
Adrian. You can do sprinkles first. That's fine. Okay, that's Adrian's decorated cupcakes. Okay, and then Chris is going to finish yours up. And I'm going to get the cupcake holder and put them in. And if you want, you can have one. Oh, no, my stuff in the refrigerator. What do you do when there's too many cupcakes? And there's not enough room in the wall.
What should I do? It's better when it's
Yeah. No, it reminds me of the cold. You want to eat one right now, Chris, or do you want to wait? Choices, decisions.
What a tough choice. It could change her life forever.
Yeah, does Krista decide to eat a cupcake now? Or does she eat one later? What do you decide, Krista? Okay, I guess we'll just turn off the camera now because it'll take an hour. Oh, did you show the camera your...
No.
Oh, show the camera your cupcakes.
Sing another song.
Okay, so if you liked our musical video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to us. Boo-ha, bye!